Are you looking for information regarding asbestos exposure? Exposure to asbestos has been linked to a number of serious illnesses, including mesothelioma, lung cancer, asbestosis, and COPD, or shortness of breath. Now, various factors determine how exposure to asbestos will affect an individual, including the concentration of the asbestos fibers, how long the exposure lasted, how often the person was exposed to asbestos, and the shape, size, and chemical makeup of the asbestos fibers. Now, symptoms of diseases caused by exposure to asbestos include shortness of breath, wheezing or hoarseness, a persistent cough that gets worse over time, blood in the fluid coughed up from the lungs, pain or tightening in the chest, difficulty swallowing, swelling of the neck or face, loss of appetite, and weight loss. A mesothelioma is a form of cancer in which malignant cells form in the lining of the chest or abdomen. More than 2,000 new cases of mesothelioma are diagnosed in the United States every year. Exposure to asbestos has been linked to many of these cases. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma or any of the other diseases caused by exposure to asbestos we spoke about a moment ago, you may have a claim for compensation. $30 billion in trusts have been established for those exposed to asbestos and diagnosed with mesothelioma or other asbestos-related diseases. The Asbestos Exposure Legal Center can help you by connecting you with lawyers and law firms that have experience with mesothelioma claims. It's important to contact law firms that are experienced in dealing with these kinds of claims. Now, the first step in determining your eligibility for compensation is to discuss your specific case with an attorney or lawyer that specializes in mesothelioma and asbestos claims. At the end of this video, you'll be provided with a link. This link is also included at the beginning of the description right below this video. By clicking on this link, you'll be taken to a one-page form on a website on which you can register for a free review of your claim. By completing this one-page form, you can register to be contacted by up to 10 experienced law firms within the next 2 weeks. Now, once again, let's just review this key information. In just a moment, you're going to be given a link to the Asbestos Exposure Legal Center. Once again, the Asbestos Exposure Legal Center provides assistance to people who've been diagnosed with mesothelioma and other asbestos-related illnesses by connecting them with law firms that have experience in launching successful claims for compensation. This service is absolutely free. If you found this video by searching online for asbestos exposure, you've come to the right place. All you need to do is click on the link in the description below. It looks just like this. Once again, that link is in the description that you'll find right below this video. By clicking on the link, you'll be taken to the one-page registration form we spoke about a moment ago, where you can get a free claim review. Once again, this doesn't cost anything, and it will give you an idea of whether or not you are eligible for compensation. So once again, go to the description below this video and click on the link that looks like this. You owe it to yourself and to your loved ones to explore the opportunity for legal compensation if you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma or any other asbestos-related disease. Thanks so much.